Hello, come again with me. Today, we are going to continue our lesson talking about what's wrong with it. So there is a problem if we want to answer. Okay, but before that, I will say good morning and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hopefully, this morning, everyone are in good conditions. So let's begin our program by reading Basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, this morning you can open your book Interchange in page number 36, and we are going to discuss about exercise number 1 until exercise number 6 with me. Here, our expected outcomes that we are going to learn from this morning, and the indicators after we learn of the lesson. So the first is explain about some problems or complaints in English and apply grammar past participles as adjectives when talking to people, and you can answer questions correctly based on a text given. Okay, now we go to the next slide. As usual, we will open our first meeting with the state your opinion. You will look about some of the problems in that box. This is some common complaints. The first, like cleaners. The dry cleaner shrinks your favorite sweater. This is probably happens with the students who are always doing laundry. But if you wash your clothes by you yourself, you may not do this problem. And how about taxi? Sometimes the driver tries to charge you too much. So this is beyond in our expectations. Sometimes the taxi may not doing some of the not good conditions. They are asked the extra money with us. And then wireless service, of course. Now we are mostly doing communications with online. So wireless service is really, really more important in these situations. So for example, if there is no signal, so you can't get online. And doctors, probably the problems about you have to wait a long time for your appointment. Okay, if you ever do some these compliments, it will be not usuals. And the next is about hotels. The bathroom sink is leaking. Maybe probably you have one day to live at the hotel, stay at night, and unfortunately the bathroom sink is leaking, and it will be disturb you when you want to get sleep. And the last is about restaurants. If you ever come to restaurant and you order the food and your food is undercooked, and it will be little bit annoying because it will be not delicious anymore. Okay, so what will you do? Okay, the questions that will come with this opinion. The first is, have you ever had any of these complaints, and which one? And the second is, what would you do in each of these situations? And the last is, what other complaints have you had? Okay, so this is the agenda or the material that we are going to discuss about what's wrong with it. I think everyone in this class, you ever get this kind of the problem, or maybe outside of this problem, because every day as the human being, problems is our friends, and we don't have to run with the problem, but we have to solve that problem. Okay, now we go to the next slide. Okay, we are going to listen about the people. They will describe complaints on a call-in radio show, and you have to check what you think each person should do. There will be 5 audio speaker that we are going to listen after this, and your duty, you have to check in what box you think that this person should do to solve their problem. Okay, please listen very carefully. Here we go.
Unit 6. What?
Okay, so your duty is only to check with the solving problem, to solve the problem, I mean. So it will be have different answer based on maybe your experience, you ever do with the same thing, or maybe if there is a person to have the problems and get the compliments like this, what should they do? Okay, thank you. That is our listenings. Now we go to the next slide. We are going to talk about grammar focus. Today we will discuss about the grammar focus about past participle. So what is past participle? In participle, we have two kinds of the participle. The first is past participle and the second is present participle. Past participle, they will use verb 3. And for present participle, they will use verb ing. So you can find the highlight word, the bold word, like torn, damaged, chipped, stained. That is the kinds of the word which is used by verb 3. So damage, for example. So we can use verb 1 by using damage, but it will be changed with using verb 3, damage. We have to put ed, that is regular verb. It will be different with the torn. Torn is from a tear for verb 1, and the word tear changed to verb 3 torn, that is included in irregular verbs. We cannot use ed in the last of that word. So we are going to listen together about the explaining from grammar focus from the audio speakers. Okay, so that's all the expressions, and we want to describe problems. So there is a continuous grammar focus that will be discussed for tomorrow class with Ibu Duro, describing problems 2. Now we are going to discuss together about describing problems 1 using past participles as adjective and with nouns. So it will be a little bit a difference because adjective and noun is included in the part of the speech. Whether, say for example, the jacket lining is torn. That is participle as adjective. Torn here is become adjective. And it has a tear. The word a tear is nouns. So that is not adjective anymore. Or there is a hole in it. A hole, also a noun. To make it understand very well, you may to do the exercise in your book in page 37 with the book interchange, and you may to answer the question in part A, part B, and part C. And there is the some of the word before you want to do the exercise in each exercise for A, B, and C. Okay, so after you finish doing the exercise, we may move to the next slide. For the next, we are going to have listening section again. With the theme is fair exchange. So after this, you will listen to 3 customers return an item they purchased. What is the problem? Take notes, then complete the chart. So number 1, number 2, and number 3. You have to find the item. What is the item that they will complain? And after that, what is the problem with that item? And the next is, will the store exchange it? You have to put the check in the box, yes or no. That every information you will get from the audio speaker. So you have to listen very carefully.
Page.
Okay, that's all about our listenings. If you don't catch any kind of information, you may repeat by you yourself, and then you can answer in exercise A and exercise B from the speakers. Now we move to the next slide. Now we are going to listen again about conversation with Miss Locke and Mr. Burr. They will talk about It Keeps Burning. Here we go. Okay, that is for the exercise A. You will listen, you can listen again, and then you may practice by you yourself. And then we have still one speakers again, exercise B. We are going to listen to another tenant calling Miss Locke. And you have to find what is the tenant's problem happening with Miss Locke from the speaker. Here we go. Okay, that's all for exercise B. You may repeat once again to find about the problems happens for Miss Locke. Now we go to the next slide. This is speaking time. Okay, I will ask you to have a partner again and then to have a speaking. And what will you do with your partner? You will have a conversation or a little bit a discussion, dialogue, talking about what is the problem. So you will bring one the problem, you can make some of the deal with your friends, what kind of the problem that you will discuss in your conversations. And the example about you are returning an item to store, decide what the item is and explain why you are returning it. And you are a salesperson, a customer is returning an item to the store, ask this question. So you may have any kind of the problems that happening around you. As a student of the university, I think there are so many problems that happens, or maybe problems at your home, because now you are stay at home. There will be a problem that you can discuss with your friends. And I will give some clue about this speaking time. The first questions you may use is what exactly is the problem, and can you show it to me? What is like this when you bought it? When did you buy it? Do you have the receipt? Would you like a refund or a store credit? So I think this is a very simple to make sure that you understand about our material today, talking about what's wrong with it. I will challenge you by making a short conversation, and I will tell about your group partner in our WhatsApp group in our meeting. And then as usual, after you have already making your short conversation, you may upload it into our e-learning. So that's all about our class today. Hopefully that everything that we learn, start from the first meeting until now, can be useful for us and for our best future. That let's close our program this morning by reading Hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. And doa kafir majlis, subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika, asyhadu alla ilaha illa anta, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. And see you next week. And the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.